So hello student, today we are going to discuss trends in information system. So in last lecture we are already discussed the things which are related to the information system, then the module of information system, that is information, that is input processing and output. Also we discuss the things which are related to the components of a information system. Now today we are going to discuss trends, how the trend which is to be performed in the information system. Okay, so in the mid of 1950 to 1960, the electronic data processing system which was developed. So what was the concept? The transaction processing, record keeping and traditional accounting application which is to be done by the data processing, which is called as electronic data processing system. Then 1960 to 1970, the management information system, that is manage the report of pre-specified information to support the decision making. Then decision support system which was developed in the 1970 to 1980, that interactive and ad hoc support of the managerial decision making process. Then strategic end user support, that is 1980 to 1990s, there end user computing system, executive information system, expert system, strategic information system. So in the mid of 1980 to 1990, the four what we, methodology which was developed, that are end user computing system, the direct computing support for the end user, executive information system, that is critical information for top management, expert system to provide the expert advice to the end user with the help of knowledge base, strategic information system which provides strategic product and services for the competitive advantages. In the 1992 onwards, the electronic business and commerce which was developed. So what was the concept over here? The internetwork e-business and e-commerce system, that are the transaction which is to be performed through the online way, that is also called as internet commerce or e-commerce. The internetwork enterprise and global e-business operation and electronic commerce on the internet or intranet, extranet and the other network. So thus in this way the trend in the information system which is to be performed. Okay. In next lecture what we are going to discuss? We are going to discuss the things which are related to the classification of an IS. Okay, thank you.